Welcome to this video presentation on the basics of test validation by a psychometrician. In the field of psychology and assessment, test validation is a critical process that ensures that tests we use accurately measure what they intend to measure. Whether it's assessing intelligence, personality traits, or specific skills, they play a vital role in developing, refining, and validating tests to ensure they provide reliable and valid results. In this presentation, we will delve into the fundamental principles and steps involved in test validation, shedding light on the meticulous work conducted by psychometricians. So, let's embark on this journey of understanding the basics of test validation and the crucial role it plays in assessment and decision-making. Test validation is a crucial process in the field of psychometrics, which involves the development and assessment of psychological tests. Psychometricians are experts who specialize in test development, validation, and analysis. Test validation ensures that a test measures what it intends to measure and provides reliable and valid results. Here are the basics of test validation. Test development. Psychometricians begin by defining the construct or trait they want to measure, such as intelligence, personality, or skills. They design test items or questions that are relevant to the construct and create a test format and scoring system. Content validity. Content validity refers to the extent to which the test items represent the construct being measured. Psychometricians ensure that the test adequately covers the content domain and that the items are appropriate and representative. They often use expert judgments and review processes to establish content validity. Construct validity. Construct validity examines whether the test accurately measures the theoretical construct it intends to assess. Psychometricians use various methods, such as factor analysis, to evaluate how well the test items align with the underlying construct. They also compare scores on the test with other measures of the same construct to establish convergent validity. Criterion validity. Criterion validity assesses how well the test predicts or correlates with an external criterion that is relevant to the construct being measured. Psychometricians compare test scores with established criteria, such as performance in a specific domain or success in a related task, to determine criterion validity. Reliability. Reliability refers to the consistency and stability of the test scores. They use statistical methods, like internal consistency reliability and test-retest reliability, to measure the extent to which the test produces consistent results over time. Norming. Norming involves collecting data from a representative sample of test takers to establish normative data. Psychometricians use this data to develop norms or reference groups, which provide a basis for interpreting individual test scores in comparison to a relevant group. Standardization. Psychometricians standardize the test administration procedures to ensure consistency and fairness. They provide clear instructions to test administrators, establish time limits, and develop guidelines for scoring and interpretation. Psychometric analysis. Psychometricians analyze the data collected from the validation process using advanced statistical techniques. They examine item properties, item discrimination, item difficulty, and other statistical indicators to assess the quality and effectiveness of the test. Ongoing evaluation. Test validation is an ongoing process. Psychometricians continually monitor and evaluate the test performance and make revisions or improvements as needed. They may conduct follow-up studies to assess the test's predictive validity and investigate potential biases or limitations. As we conclude this video presentation on the basics of test validation, we hope you now have a better understanding of the important work carried out by psychometricians. Test validation ensures that the assessments we rely on are accurate, reliable, and fair, providing valuable insights into the constructs they aim to measure. By following rigorous procedures like content validity, construct validity, and criterion validity, psychometricians ensure that tests provide meaningful information for various applications. Remember, test validation is an ongoing process that requires continual evaluation and refinement. Psychometricians strive to enhance the quality and effectiveness of assessments by incorporating feedback, conducting follow-up studies, and addressing potential biases. This dedication to improving the reliability and validity of tests helps inform decision-making in fields like education, employment, and clinical practice. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of test validation. We hope this presentation has sparked your curiosity and provided a glimpse into the fascinating work of psychometricians. Should you have any further questions or seek additional information, we encourage you to explore the vast body of knowledge in this field.